it's Diane at So Charming Quilts, and I wanted to reveal our April quilt to you today. This quilt is stained glass. It is one of the Robert Kaufman 2022 calendar quilts. It was designed by Ariga Wilson, and it uses some of those soft cotton solids from the Kona line. There's peaches, there are some mushrooms, some light browns, some of the greens, some of the more neutral colors, and it just turned out to be a beautiful quilt. It looks like almost a lattice fence. We put it together on the diagonal. I'm going to zoom in and show you. We used a dragonfly pano, and it just looks like those dragonflies are flying in and out of the lattice as they are stitched on that quilt. I hope you'll join us every month. We are going to continue our calendar series, and we'll be revealing our May quilt very soon. We do tips and tricks and have some videos posted on YouTube, so you can follow along and subscribe to our channel. We also have kits for each of our calendar quilts listed on our website, so you can visit us at www.socharmingquilts.com. We also periodically post on Instagram or Facebook, so you can like us and give us a shout out there. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Thanks, and have a great day.